Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 9-inch Android screen in the Mercedes GL. This is for Mercedes GL 2013 and up, and we installed the wireless CarPlay along with our 9-inch Android screen. That's how it looks like. It replaces the actual screen in the car with the special bracket, and it looks like the newer GL, which is the GLS, and it's fully touch, so you can use the touch screen. You can go to Google Maps, and by touching the Mercedes you can go back to our factory, actually aftermarket menu of the unit. And this is the latest unit with 4+64, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of hard, with a blue screen and 8-core processor with Android 9 version. And by clicking on NTG, that's the setup, sorry. By clicking on NTG mode, you go back to the factory mode. It retains all the factory features such as backup camera. So backup camera stays the same. In the aftermarket mode, same thing. You can use the backup camera. This car comes with 360 camera. And by going to the apps, which all the Android apps are here, Google Store is here. By clicking on our special app, you can do Apple CarPlay, or if you connect it to an Android device, you can do Android Auto. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to guide you through it. Thank you and have a great day.